Your next project is very similar to your last lab. In this project, you will write a program that utilizes functions to complete the task. This time you will create the file all on your own. I will not give you any startup file. My suggestion is use Lab 4, take the code out of there and modify it, change the headers and all of that stuff. In any event, you will launch PyScripter and complete the following. Place your name and class code at the top. This time you're going to put comments above each function to indicate what that function is actually trying to accomplish. For this program, the Holiday Travel Agency is putting together some travel packages for vacations, and they would like a program that will help them calculate the cost of a customer's trip. There are 4 destinations: Florida, Texas, Cancun, and the Bahamas. For these, there are prices for the hotels and airfares. You will make all of these values global at the top of your program. To encourage people to stay longer, they have the following long stay discount. If you stay more than 7 days, there will be a price reduction based on your destination. So for Florida or Texas, they will receive 1 free day at the hotel. For Cancun and the Bahamas, they will receive 50% off the airfare. There's also an early discount based on how far ahead the reservation is made. This discount is to be applied to the hotel costs only. Inside this function, initialize the discount rates locally. So you'll have a discount rate 5, rate 8, and rate 10. So if the reservation is made between 1 and 4 weeks, there is no discount. 5 to 6 weeks, there will be a 5% discount on the hotel costs. 7 to 9, 8% discount, and so on. I give you a suggestion on what your main should look like. So for instance, you should input all the data in the main and then call on the various functions. All of these calls must occur in the main function. In the lab, some of you put code down in between the functions, and we will take off points if this should occur again. So you're going to call all these functions. Notice this time I do not give you the arguments or which ones are returning a value. You have to figure that out yourself. Once you have the program running successfully, my suggestion is test all possible scenarios. Florida with a discount, without a discount, with a long-term discount, without a long-term discount, etc. Here I have 4 runs for the program. I do want you to take these 4 examples and make output snippets from your program. So notice I echo the input. You will be putting in F, 7, and 5, but when you print it out, it will print out as Florida. You will put all of these in a Word document with, of course, your name and class code on it. So let me run the program and let you see what I'm referring to. So here I'm going to run the program and it comes up. I'm going to put in F for Florida, 10 days, 10 weeks until the vacation, and I get the following output. Okay, I'm going to run it again. I'll put in Cancun. I'll put in number of days to stay, 10. Number of weeks, I'll just put 2 before the vacation. And notice here, I did not receive an early discount. So I want to run the program and verify all of these scenarios. The rubric is as follows. Please note that the top 2 items now, because we are far along in the class, will be items for deductions, but will not be included in the total. What does that mean? I expect now that you will name these files correctly and that you will put comments in the program. You will not get points for that, but if you do not do it, I will deduct points. The points are for global and local constants for the airfare, hotel rate, discount rates. Notice the discount rate should be local inside that function. The main program should include input statements, function calls, and the calculation of the final bill, all above any other function. So you should not have any code below the main that's outside of a function itself. The functions are listed here. Again, you have to determine what should be passed to the function and what should be returned. Good luck. If you have any questions, in class will be the time to ask.